it's Yoan, and today I'll be showing you two kinds of kinetic sand. One is from Toy Kingdom, that is about 500 pesos. While this one is from Shopee, it only costs 300 pesos. Wow! Well, it comes with mold, a shovel, and a swimming pool, and two kinetic sands in a case. Well, this one comes with nothing. We're gonna be using this on both, so yay, can't wait! By the way guys, it's raining, so don't mind the rain sound. So this is how the pool looks like. Its color are orange, blue, and a bit of some pink. Wow, so much colors. I'll be holding this first. And I'll be showing you the molds of the kinetic sand from Shopee. First one is the animal molds or sea animals. This one's a shell, a yellow shell, forgot to tell you the color. A pink dolphin, a yellow fish, a green, what kind of this again? I forgot what time was this. Oh, now I remember. It's a starfish. This is a crab, just like Mr. Crab. Get out of here. And this one's, I forgot everything. Wow! A seahorse. Now this one are castles. Wow. So this one looks like an original castle. This one looks like a pyramid castle. I'll put this away for a while. I don't know what's this, but it's really cool. Whoa, now this is an ancient castle. This is a half castle. No other tall building on the side. Or tower. Okay, now this looks like a house. Is this even a castle? Alright, don't mind that. Guess that's it. Now I'll be showing you the kinetic sand. Oh, this is so heavy. Alright, forgot the shovel. This is what the shovel looks like. Now I'll open it. This one is kind of a peach one. Let me show you it. Let me put it down. Next one is the green one. It's really soft. Well, guess that's it. Now we're smacking kinetic sand. Here is it. So, I'll be seeing you later. My dad's gonna blow this little swimming pool. Bye! So, first we're gonna try the original one. Let me open it. And put it back there. This is the softest thing I've ever felt. Even softer than my other kinetic sands. So, I like that it's pink. But I really like more blue. Yep. So here how it looks like. It's munchy so much. Texture is soft. I like it. Thumbs up! I'll rub my hands. You know guys, it's really hard to rub your hands with kinetic sand because it gets stuck. Yep. So make sure you wash your hands after you play this thing. I'm really gonna wash my hands. Let me get those molds. I'll try them out. Yep, yep, and yep. Just a little bit more. What's that sound? Nah. So this one is the other castle that I showed you. Now, wow, perfect. When you're rubbing hands on the top. Alright, now let me try the other mold. Go ahead and get it. This one is the pyramid one. Takes a lot of stuff. And the training can. It's so hard to put in kinetic sand in molds. Now let's put it on top. Wow, that is awesome. Carefully. That's it, I'm not moving it. Goodbye. This is the funnest day of my life. Now let me go get the other one. This is gonna take forever. There we go. That's much better. And first of all, let's destroy this one. Alright, come back there. This one is the real star. Beautiful. Get these molds all of here. Get these molds out. Now let's do the one that looks like a house. And again, destroying the other one to save some sand. This time, I'm doing a big blob. Woohoo! And more pressing. There we go. And ooh. Wow, it really looks like a house. So I'm gonna get the other molds ready. Let's do this one. So, and again, you all know. Wow. Savage, sand, savage. This just fell out. Alright, so savage. Now let's put this inside. Clear this all up. I think my baby sister is gonna use the swimming pool. Right. Whoa, it fell out so easily. So this one is a bit crunchy. Alright, now, woohoo! Crunching kinetic sand is so fun. Get that trouble away. Now, time for this one. Now, time for this one. Fish this. It's really hard because there's some other thingies on the sides that I need to fill up. So it's gonna take me forever. That's it. I'm not waiting any longer. This is it. Right. See it. Get these extras away. Alright. 3, 2, 1. This one's a fail. What's wrong with me? This one's a fail. Alright. Destroy time. I'm just gonna get those other molds. Wait a second. Got this one. It's the fish one. The molds are dropping from the sky. This is so easy to put in, but still so thick. This mold is really small. Let's move those other molds away, and now for the grand finale. Wow, very cool fish. I'll throw that away with the other molds. Now, I'm sorry, fish, even though you're God made. Time for my favorite animal, a dolphin. Sprinkle it up. Well, poor dolphin, I'm fixing this. I'm literally fixing this. This is just like clay, but even softer. Alright, move these. Move. Hey, why are you coming with me? Alright, now let's flip it. Whoa. Alright, throw that. Wow, fail. There. Here's how it looks like. Sorry, dolphin. Slice you in half. Goodbye. Now, it's time. Raise your hands if you like Mr. Crab. It's Mr. Crab's time. If you're watching SpongeBob, you may know this. Ooh, Mr. Crab. Are you even pink, Mr. Crab? Or red? Yep, he's red. Show. Mr. Crab. Here's the Mr. Crab that I made. Sorry. I'm evil, so evil. Now, time to get... I don't know what animal this is. I forgot again. I'm forgetting things. Now, slash. This is too much. Too much. It's gonna explode. Alright, never mind. Hey, Patrick, what are you doing on the screen? Alright, whoa. That is one thick. This one's thick. Whoa. Now, it's Patrick. Alright, Patrick, get ready to be prepared. I meant get ready to be insane. Right? Swipe this off like a balloon. Now, it's time to flip Patrick. Good. Wow, this is so detailed. Hey Patrick, what are you doing in the sand? You too. So, now, after that, squish! This is so fun. Now, time for the shell. The shell's the biggest of the fish molds. Ah! Slippery too. So, now, it's time to flip it. Sorry guys, I'm not perfect in molding. Flip! Alright. Wow. I'm cutting these off first. Alright, now it's time to cut you by thin or flying. It's gonna take forever, so I'm sorry. Get away now. And now, I'm cleaning this up because I'm using water clean. I meant sand. Ugh, what's wrong with me? Cleaning this up. Goodbye. I had a lot of fun with the pink Kinetic Sand. Don't you dare try it out.